Hi guys, Terry here. Hey, I want to show you the second Simple Page Kit, the Noteworthy Simple Page Kit number 2. So these are, I'll just reiterate, these are $5.50 on the Creative Memories website. And the idea is that you have two beautiful sheets of printed paper, and it tells you all the instructions on how to put it together, and you could see how handsome that page is, right? So the idea is that you buy these kits so that you are just on a roll with your scrapbooking. Creative Memories has always been about getting those photos in your album so that you have those memories. And I think because nowadays we've even more digitized everything. Everything is electronic. It's on our phones. It's easy to take pictures. It's not easy to organize them, and it's not easy to remember to print them and keep your album updated. So I think what Creative Memories is doing by having these kits each month is you can put an album together for the year. So if you're ready to get started on scrapbooking, this is an excellent way to start. Or if you've just kind of fallen into a rut with your scrapbooking, this is a great way to kind of revitalize and just get back in there scrapbooking. So I have my 2 pages that it comes with, and I love that they're pre-printed, and I love that the colors are so, like, these colors would go with everything, right? I mean, here it is Valentine's month, but it's nice that it's just got some blues, a little bit of hearts, and then you could use it for anything. If you're doing a birthday or, some other fun, or even the everyday things. Capture those everyday things. So it comes with those 2 pieces of paper. It comes with a wonderful sticker sheet that includes a border, these nice little borders, so those are fun. And feel free to make it your own too. It's a great jumping off point. So it has it'll come with another piece of paper here where you cut it, right? So I've already started by cutting this. I was showing somebody how the trimmer works. But I'm going to cut these other few pieces off, and then I'll arrange them and I'll show you what it looks like. Let me get my trimmer. Okay, got my Creative Memories trimmer here. And just a reminder, when you do go to cut these, your trimmer, you may not notice, but inside your trimmer here, it actually has a little plastic piece inside here, hiding inside there, that has a little black line on it there. So I don't know if you can see. This helps you know that you've got this paper inside your trimmer right at that right place of where the blade is going to cut. So this is the blade. I'm not pushing on it yet. And there's one at the other end of the trimmer here if you need to pull it out for a bigger piece of paper there. But just know that those are tucked inside there. So I'm lined up. I've got it lined up on both sides. I've pushed it against the top to make sure I'm straight. And then I'm just going to give this a push. And of course those plastic pieces just go back into their little holes there. So there's that piece. We've got some little pieces to cut here. And I'll say that one thing that I love about this trimmer is this has like a magnet hold on it. So it really holds it in place for those small pieces. So that piece isn't going to go anywhere while I do my cut. The other thing I'll notice is, I don't know if you can see this little point here. You see that little point? That little point is showing where it's going to cut, but it is also nice to have these little guides. It's probably better that I'm going this way and pushing it towards the end, because this one I did get off a little bit. I think it's scooted. But I can trim that. That's no problem. Okay, so those pieces are numbered. And I just have to look at my instructions here on where to place them. So it's telling me to place the polka dot pieces right here. little bit. And then these blue ones are going to go on the top and the bottom. Like this. And the blue ones are going at the bottom of this one over here. Okay. So, very easy to assemble. I'll get my tape runner and glue those down. But yeah, here's an example of what it looks like with the photos on it. And know that you can make it your own. I mean, if you've got smaller photos you could put over here, if you've got vertical photos, change it that way. Make it your own, but it is nice that it comes together relatively quickly there. So you can imagine going to a crop and getting started with these kits, and then you would get on a roll. I think it would really inspire you when you're cutting your own paper. Because it doesn't take a lot, right? I think the best pages are some of the ones that just have the pretty paper layered. So it's also got on there this Good Times Together goes up here, and then it's got some other things that you layer with it. So, you know, I usually put the kit together, and then in my crop I'm going to slap some pictures on there, and then I'll add my stickers. So I'll make the title. I might cut something out on my Cricut, or I'll use the suggested title that they've got. So I just wanted to show you how those simple page kits from Creative Memories are just a very, I still can't believe they're $5.50. The price point is just incredible. So they're telling us there's going to be a little bit of a price increase on all of their products. So, you know, that's to be expected. So yeah, I love Creative Memories tools, and I love their prices. So I hope you are doing something fun in your craft room this week, and I hope the weather is getting better where you are. We had a 60-degree day yesterday. We're here in Ohio. We had some snow flurries this morning, but it was nice and sunny and warm yesterday. So I'm looking forward to those days. So I will catch you later, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.